everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we are going to be crocheting this heart. To begin, grab your size F or 5 crochet hook and some medium size 4 weight yarn, and go ahead and crochet a magic circle, and then place 3 double crochets inside of it. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and chain 1 and then tighten up your tail. Nice and tight. Turn your work, and you're going to want to place 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2, slip stitch in the middle stitch here, the second stitch, and then place 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 2. Chain 1 and turn your work, and you're going to want to place 1 single crochet in this first stitch, 3 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the next stitch, and then 3 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, and 3, and then a single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. From here you're going to want to place 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 3 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, and then you're going to want to slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, and then this tiny little stitch down here. And then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And 3 double crochets in the next stitch. And a single crochet in the last stitch. So from here you can tie off your work if you'd like, but if you want to clean up the edges a little bit, I'll show you how to do that. So go ahead and inserting your hook into the next stitch, place 1 single crochet. And you just kind of want to repeat that going all the way down the edge here. Placing single crochets wherever you can. And when you get down to this point down here, place a single crochet, then you're going to want to chain 1, and then you're going to want to place another single crochet all in the same stitch to kind of help guide that point. And then you're just going to want to continue single crocheting up the edge. And once you start to get close to this part of the heart, you're just going to want to switch to slip stitches. And trying to slip stitch into that first single crochet stitch, which might be a little tight. Like that, you're going to want to pull your yarn and tie it off. And then you're just going to want to take this tail, draw it through the back here. And once you get your tails pulled through the back, you are done with your heart. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. And I'm also interested to know if you tried the pattern and it worked for you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for crocheting with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.